How to enable or disable Personalize Bixby on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down, and from here, tap on Advanced Features. Then tap on Bixby. Now in here, we go down and then tap on Personalize Bixby. So tap on the toggle button to disable Personalize Bixby, to turn it on, then tap on Agree, and that will allow you to switch it on. Now if you tap on the left hand side panel, it will give you some information. The way in which you use Bixby, such as how you use voice commands or respond to questions from Bixby, and which captures you use frequently, and usage information related to Samsung and third-party apps and services and devices connected to Samsung apps and services. You will use to provide you with a personal and customized experience. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.